Hello and welcome. My name is Roy Watkins. I am President and CEO of Airolator Corporation. We are located in Grandview, Missouri, which is just south of Kansas City, Missouri. Come in and let me show you around. Airolator Corporation was established in 1968. Over the past 51 years, we have designed and manufactured various types of mechanical equipment to assist in water treatment by mixing and aerating. We currently manufacture and distribute 14 products designed for specific applications and conditions. Our products consist of submersible mixers, aspirating mixers, floating surface aerators, subsurface aeration, floating surface fountains, and subsurface mounted fountains. All of our products are engineered to provide high performance while maintaining environmental responsibility and providing clean, healthy, and sustainable water management. We'll go out here to the warehouse. This is our warehouse where we manufacture all of the equipment, build it, test it, and ship it out of here. Water Quality Solution has been exclusively manufacturing and distributing all 50 Hz Airolator products for us since 2010. When I met Scott Tucker, I knew immediately that he and I would develop a great friendship. Scott spent several days with us at our factory as we reviewed all of our products, their applications, training on assembly, testing, and troubleshooting. Together, Airolator and Water Quality Solutions' mission is to provide our customer with quality products and maintain customer service. Our goal as we proceed in the future is to continue to build our relationship both in business and personally as we grow together. Thank you.